Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Riza Kurniawan. I am 20 years old. I have a hobby, namely watching local football matches directly at the stadium, and I am Persija Jakarta supporters. Besides that, I like listening to music and watching music concert. During the pandemic, I like watching series on Netflix, which is entitled The Money Heist. Why did I choose the communication major? I chose the communication major because I wanted to have good spoken and public speaking skills that many audience could listen to. Besides that, I am also a person who easily mingles with new people and likes to chat with anyone. That's why I chose the communication department because I think that major can help me to explore the potential that is within me. I also choose the concentration of public relation. In public relation, I was trained in how to do good public speaking and was trained to be brave in public speaking in front of a busy audience. Public relation is also an activity related to communication that is concerned about building an image, reputation, and building good relationship between company with public. Public relation is also a bridge between the company and the public, so that public relation can be called the spokesperson of the company in front of the public. Public relation activities also include internal and external. Internal public is all elements that directly influence the success of the company, such as employees, managers, supervisors, shareholders, the company board of directors, and so on. Internal relation activities carried out by a public relation, namely employee relation and stakeholder relation. Example of internal public relation in a company: 1. Leader. Take control to keep the company strong. 2. Shareholders. Assist the leadership in controlling of the company. 3. Employee. Indirectly and directly take part in controlling the company. 4. Company equipment. If there is no equipment, the company cannot produce the product. And 5. Product is the most important internal part of a company. And 6. Salary. If the salary is decent, employees will be more active in producing product. External public relation activities are intended for the external public of the organization or company, namely all elements that are outside the company that are not directly related to the company, such as the community around the company, the press, government, consumer, competitor, and so on. External relation activities carried out by a public relation, namely community relation, government relation, customer relation, media and press relation. Example of external public relation and company: 1. Community. People who will help the distribution process run smoothly and even become consumer at the same time. 2. Consumer. User of product from a company. 3. Internet. Can increase the number of product purchased by means of online sales. 4. Media. Can increase sales by placing attractive advertisement in the media. And 5. Market. A strategic and conducive market will facilitate product distribution. So the explanation for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.